Peace and quiet. It's time to watch my favorite show. Where's the remote? Where's the remote control?
Does this often happen to you? Well, it does in my household. The remote controls can be like little gremlins, you know, trying to get away, hiding in all kinds of places that you won't expect.
You also got a... like treasure hunt only, man.
The solution is simple. Store your remote controls in this modern stylish hard metal remote control holder and give them a place to live.
It stopped. I gotta turn it again.
Now if you excuse me,